Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelechi again, Franklin, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you all you need to know about creating NFT even as a beginner. So I'm going to be sharing with you an exclusive interview with one of the best artists in Nigeria who is by the name Mr. CHUMA ANAGBADO, who will be sharing with us what NFT is all about, what you need to know, how NFT can make you a millionaire and all of that. So all you just need to do is to stick to the very end of this video as you are going to be seeing what NFT is all about and how you can be able to get started. And before I continue, I want to give a very big shout out to Gardens TV. You guys are the best. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button so that YouTube will always notify you whenever I drop informative and educative content like this. Don't forget to give this video a like so that more people will be able to see this video and also get to know about it. So before I get started, we will need to know what NFT is all about and how you can be able to get started with it. So as a beginner, you might be wondering what NFT is, and it would be nice for you to understand that NFTs are non-fungible tokens, which are one of a kind digital asset that can allow you to be able to create it in a form of JPEG, PDFi, MP3s, and many other digital assets in which you can be able to create it and then use it to make money for yourself. As far as you can be able to create it and it can be bought and sold, this can be able to allow you to create it in the form of art and all of that. So when you are able to do this, you can be able to take ownership of it and then register it, and you take ownership of it and make money out of it. So for those of you who might be thinking that you can be able to right click and then save an NFT you see online and then you publish it and thinking you get money from it, you can't, because some of these NFTs are already registered on the blockchain, and once you duplicate it, it cannot give you what you are looking for. All you just need to do is to be creative and then think of what you can be able to create and all of that. So how does this NFT work?
Pretty much the same way you buy a work of art, right? Or the music. It's the same way where you buy a CD or a painting. It's the same way you buy a work of art. Now, what has happened is that we have developed into NFTs. So the coming of Web 1, Web 2, the handheld devices, laptops, digital devices, and the digital world, right? Social media kind of paved the way for NFTs. Now, with social media, it was largely one or two dimensional, and the ownership structure was a bit different. Now, with Web3, you're talking about more dimensions. So what am I saying in essence? You do belong to a WhatsApp group, right? And in a WhatsApp group, you have people from different parts of the world interacting real time in one dimension, and that dimension is chat. So once in a while, we add a second dimension where we go on a group call, kind of a thing, right? And you've had technologies like virtual reality coming up, enabling us to add a third dimension. I think Zoom at one point tried to create spaces inside Zoom where people are in a meeting, but they are all seated they're in the same space. Now, the thing about NFTs is NFTs are those contents, right, that then fills up that digital. NFTs have then been built on the blockchain, and the blockchain has then enabled there to be transfer. So you know who created what, when they put it up for sale, who buys what. And remember, there's been trading, right? Decentralized financing. And there's been talks about what gives cryptocurrency its value, right? So I think NFTs kind of came in and created a system of value in addition to what you would call stable coins. Now, stable coins are cryptocurrencies that are benchmarked against a stable currency, quote and unquote, like the dollar. Right? The USDT is a stable coin. Now, NFTs have kind of created a value behind a cryptocurrency, the ETH, which is Ethereum. You can become a millionaire in an instant in the NFT space, but do you really become a millionaire in an instant? I don't think so. I think you would have been putting in work and been honing your craft, and people just refer to that point where it pays off. right? But is it possible to become a millionaire in one day, in 10 minutes? Yes, it is. I know that if you have a chance to put up your work on have a drop on Nifty Gateway, one of the premium NFT marketplaces, they usually do a 10-minute drop. They open and people just start minting that particular edition. You can do up to 9,999 of it in that 10 seconds. There are drops that, their drops are always selling out. So if you get that opportunity, you can become a millionaire in an instant.
So you might be wondering, where can I buy or sell my NFTs? So depending on what you have in mind to buy or what you have in mind to sell, you can get started first of all by having a wallet, and then using either the Trust wallet or the MetaMask, depending on the platform in which you want to start selling or buying NFTs. You have many platforms like the OpenSea, the SuperRay, NFT Gateway, Big Swap, and many other NFT platforms in which you can be able to sell your NFTs and get started. So let's know in the comment section, guys, if this video was helpful. Do well to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can be able to get informative and educative content like this. Do well to share this video, and see you on my next video. Peace.